Hi, I'm Sarah from Roof Windows For You, and in this video I'm going to tell you 4 things you need to know before choosing flashing. What is flashing and why do we need it? Flashing comes separately to the window and looks a bit like this. It's made from aluminium and is essential in keeping your window watertight. It helps the water to glide off the window and off the roof. How do you find the most appropriate flashing for your roof and roof window? There are 2 really important things you need to know here. Firstly, it's the type of roof covering you have. This falls into 5 categories. Flat sheet, i.e. zinc, non-interlocking slate up to 8mm, plain tiles up to 16mm, interlocking tiles up to 45mm, and high-profiled interlocking tiles up to 90mm. The second thing you need to know is the pitch of your roof. The quickest and easiest way to find this out is by using our roof pitch calculator. If you've got a smartphone, you turn it and hold it up against the rafter. Levels of installation. You can install your window at 3 different levels. These are commonly called recessed, standard and high. The FACRO names for these are J for recessed, V for standard and N for high. In some situations, for example if you live in a conservation area, you may have to install your window at certain levels. This information is available from your local building authority. The external colours and their importance. It's very important that if you live in a conservation area that the external colour is black and the window needs to have a central mullion bar. But for the most part, the external colour is completely up to you. We have absolutely loads available on Roof Windows For You, so go check them out.